Lacey. Today we're going to be doing another video of Sink and Float. And we have a special guest that's going to pop out in 3, 2, 1. They popped out. You can see it's a kangaroo with a Jody. And this is from American Doll Store, so you can get it too. And here's our stuff. We got Legos, we got more Legos, and we got pencil that's broken. And here's and as you watched my cake pop video, and this is one of the sticks we used. So this is a cake pop stick, as you want to call it that. And here is a shark toy that it's in the bathtub. And here's a straw. I'm pretty sure that was plastic. And here is a spoon, a metal spoon. And here's a clipper for your nails. And here's a fork. We have 2 items you use to eat. A cap. We got an alicorn here. A high bouncy ball. And finally, a coin. So, and we got food coloring. And we also got our last thing, our very last thing, a key. Okay, so first we have to put the food coloring because we're going to make the water purple. So we're going to mix these 2 colors. So let's get off the caps. Take off the caps. And I'm gonna drop them in at the same time. It's not working right. It's probably gonna need a mix. This is looking beautiful. Look at that water, guys. Oops. This looks beautiful. That's good enough. So these are Legos that we're gonna put in, but before we put them in, we have to say what we think they're gonna do. I think they're gonna float because they have a little bit more They have a little bit of density. What do you think will happen? Okay, now let's put it in. In 3, 2, 1. Ooh, they're floating in the purple water. This makes a nice colored purple. Okay, so next up we're going to be doing a coin. And before we put it in the water, remember we're going to have to say what you think it's gonna do. And I think it's gonna float. What do you think will happen? Okay. Ooh, it sunk a bit, and then it sunk.
It sank?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What's next?
So the next step is keys. Ding, ding, ding. And I think these ones are going to sink. So what do you think will happen? Okay.
Was your prediction right?
Yes.
Were you correct?
Yep.
It sank?
Yeah.
Why do you think it sank?
Because it has more density.
It has more density. It's heavy, maybe? Yeah?
Yeah, because it's metal.
it's metal and it has more density and it's heavier. Okay, what else?
Next step is this one. This is a spoon.
But what kind of spoon is that?
It's a metal spoon.
So what do you think's gonna happen?
It's gonna sink. What
Okay.
do you think will happen?
Okay, let's see.
Okay, let's see. I'm pretty sure.
It sank.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if you saw this before, then it's something you drink.
Okay. So what's that?
It's a straw.
Okay.
So what I think will happen is it's gonna float. What do you think will happen? Okay. Whoa.
Well, what happened?
Incorrect.
You got it incorrect? Then what happened?
It sunk
Okay. Why do you think it did that?
because it has more density.
Yeah, I think the water went in and
Yeah, probably.
based on how the straw is designed, it's not your typical straw. And that caused it to sink. Alright, what's next?
So next up is Sharky.
What is that?
It's a shark that you can put in water. It floats.
But what is it? Is it a toy? What is
Yep.
it?
So what do you think will happen? Wait, I think it will float and then sink. What do you think will happen? Let's see. It looks like it's floating and then it's sinking. Ooh, I was right.
Okay.
It floats and then it sinks. And then next toy, which is Piggy. If you watch the show with Moana in it, then this is the pig that gave her the thing. So we're can put it in after we say what's gonna happen. Well, I think it's gonna sink. What do you think is gonna happen? Okay, let's watch and see. That got me wet on the face. So I was right. So next up is the bouncy ball. Bounce, bounce, bounce. So what I think it's going to sink. What do you think will happen? Okay, let's watch and see. Incorrect for me.
So what's happening?
It's floating. It looks like it's a bath, Mom. It's like water, turning it purple. And it's almost fully purple. Ooh, cool. That looks cool. So, next up is this pencil. I think it's going to float. And what do you think will happen? Okay, let's watch and see. Whoop! I was right. I was right. I was right. All right. Next up. What do you think?
So what's that?
It's a fork.
What kind of fork?
A plastic fork. And I think it's going to float. What do you think will happen? Okay, let's watch and see again. Whoop! Right again! I got two floating answers right. And this is a clipper for your nails. So if your mom cuts your nails, this is what it is. So I think it's going to sink. What do you think will happen? Okay. Oop, it sunk. It's behind a straw. This is a cap for some milk, chocolate milk. So I think it's going to float. What do you think will happen? Okay, let's watch and see. Ooh, it's floating. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. So the next step is this one. It's a stick. It's like a stick that you can use for cake pops. So I think it's going to float. What do you think will happen? Okay, let's watch and see. In 3, 2, 1, dip. Nope. Doesn't float. But it's so big.
Let's try that one again. Pick it up and put it back in. There we go. Let's see. It floated at first, and then you noticed it just went down to the bottom of the container.
It wasn't floating, it was on the fork.
Okay. What is it doing now?
So now it's on the ground.
So it's not? Okay, what's next?
So this is the last one. So it's an alicorn toy, a water-looking one. It likes to go in the water and shake off the water. She has brothers and sisters, by the way. Another sister. And she's the next sister. So I think it's going to float. What do you think will happen? Actually, I think it's going to sink. Okay. Let's watch and see. She sank.
She sank? Okay.
So this looks like a bath bomb so far, this one. And this one is a milk cap.
Okay.
Legos and stuff. It's like a mixture. I'm making something, right? Because I'm putting a whole bunch of stuff in it, like ingredients.
Like ingredients, okay. Random stuff from the house.
Yeah.
Alright, so what do you notice about the things that sank?
That they're going down to the bottom of the tank.
Okay, and what about the things that float?
That they're floating on top of the water.
So they're on top of the water. So the things that went down, they might be a little bit more dense than the water, or denser, if that's even a word. And the things on the top, they're less what?
Less density.
They have less density, or they're less dense, yes. Remember when we spoke about things that are denser, that means they are packed closely together, and the ones that are less dense, they're loosely packed, right? Okay.
I'm making a stew.
You're making a stew. Are you a witch?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so that's it for this video. Bye guys. See you next time in Casey's World. And I'm gonna keep stirring in this witch's pot.